Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you this really fun Pocahontas inspired t-shirt that is actually a SVG for our members, our crafting community, and if you are a business member, you can actually sell with this design as well as any of the other designs you see me feature on my YouTube channel that are a part of my membership, that are in the commercial rights part of our membership. Okay, so I'm going to show you this and a koozie using a lot of products from my website, so check it out. Let's go. Auntietay.com. We are going to be downloading the Pocahontas Svg. This is the cover of our website where anybody has access to, but if you're not a member, I suggest becoming a member if you want access to thousands of SVGs, new bundles every Monday, and all the fun things. So let's go into Disney characters. We're going to click right here, and then we're going to click princesses, and we're going to find Pocahontas. Now, all of these are commercial use rights if you have our commercial membership or above. So we're going to find Pocahontas, and we're using the Follow Your Arrow and the Warrior. So I actually have to download both of these bundles to do this craft. So I'm going to click on this one and click on this one, and both bundles are going to go into my downloaded files on my computer. So find your downloads. They will be zipped when they download, so you do have to open them. I'm gonna double click this one. I'm gonna right click and click open this one just to show you the difference and that they both do the same thing. All right, this one is going to come in as a bundle. Wow, you're getting a lot of examples of a few different things in this, because this one is actually designed in a bundle, and this one comes in a bundle package, meaning you're going to get all of them in a folder so you can upload them different, we're just gonna upload the Warrior one. Whereas with this one, we're gonna upload the entire bundle. Now I'm gonna show you in Silhouette Studio as well as Cricut Design Space. So let's go to Silhouette Studio, and I am just going to drag and drop my SVG. Now, if you want a more in-depth tutorial on this, I have a tutorial on how to use Silhouette Studio with our SVGs, where I'll go into resizing and moving colors around and why some people can and can't put SVGs onto Silhouette Studio. Okay, so this one is a bundle, so I'm just gonna drag the bundle. I really love this about Silhouette Studio. It just takes so much less time to do this. So I'm gonna ungroup these, and we want to use Follow Your Arrow, so I'm going to delete all of these. Again, I have a tutorial on how to do this. So I'd resize this to the shirt, and it comes in crooked if it is crooked in your design, so that's pretty fun. And I'm gonna ungroup these because they're different colors, and ungroup this one because they are different colors. And I would move all the colors I'm not working with off of my board and start from there. So if you want more in-depth, this is basically just to show you how to get our SVGs into Silhouette Studio. And this will work with any SVGs, really, not just our SVGs. But again, I have a more in-depth tutorial on exactly what I just did. So let's go over to Cricut Design Space and do the same thing with these two files. I'm going to upload. Remember, we've already unzipped them. So we're gonna go to our downloads, and we are going to upload the Warrior Svg. We can tag it if we want to be able to find it. I can type Pocahontas later if I just want to find it. And I'm going to upload the other one. They are in two different files, remember. So we have the Arrow SVG bundle. I'm going to save that. SVGs upload very quickly to Design Space. That's why I really like to make sure that we have a lot of SVGs. If these were PNGs or JPEGs, they would take a little bit longer to upload, and it would get kind of frustrating to upload so many SVGs one at a time, or PNGs or JPEGs. If you want to know the difference between an SVG, JPEG, or PNG, I also have a video on that as well. Okay, so we're going to click both of these and insert our images into our project. I'm going to ungroup these by right-clicking ungroup, or you can find this little button up here that says ungroup. Now I'm just going to delete the ones we are not using by click and delete, and we are going to resize Warrior to the size of our shirt, which is typically about 10 inches for a shirt and 4 inches for the koozie. Give or take, you can make your own decisions on your own shirts and your own koozie, but that is where I would go with this. And then I'd click make it, and we would go on from there. All right, let's go to the craft after we've cut these out of all of our SVGs and all of our colors of HTV. All right, for our Pocahontas koozie, we are going to be using a patterned HTV. I love this HTV. It's perfect for doing things on top of because it's so subtle that you can, put things on top and it'll really pop, or you can do something subtle like we're doing here and you'll see it. For a more in-depth tutorial on how to make the koozie, I have a tutorial on that on my channel, so check that out. But I just wanted to show you how I made the Pocahontas koozie that matches the t-shirt that we have in this video.